guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Becky Love TV. Welcome to Becky Adi Joseph live video. Hello guys, invite your friends. You can see my red topic there.
Concept oublié numéro 3. La terrasse.
Hello guys, invite your friends this afternoon. Happy Sunday to you all. Invite your friends guys. Share this video, This video is going to help me to help you, help your friend. Share. Let's cheers.
Retrouvons un peu de liberté.
Hello guys, let's go there. Please, I will see comments now. Hello guys, if you are hearing me guys, say yes. If you are hearing me, say yes. You are hearing me. Please guys, say yes if you are hearing me. Let me start. Guys, happy summer to you all. This is summer message this afternoon. Guys, this summer is coming very quick now. We are in summer. We are very close to summer. We are, you know, like last 2 years for summer, we lost many souls. We lost many souls in Italy, mostly in Italy. We lost many souls, many young people, young guys. Rest in peace. But this year, guys, if this message quick very fast, please guys, share this video. We are learning. I'm not perfect. Either you guys, I'm telling you are perfect too. You know, this life we are learning. Drop your comments. Summer, a lot of life and losing. We black, we are losing a lot life. Welcome. Good afternoon. You know, we black will be using ourselves to protect these white people. You know, that's where we are growing. We are growing from Nigeria. We grow from Nigeria. When we grow from Nigeria, we have river in Nigeria. We don't have sea. Most of village, even town, we have river, no sea. Europe, they have sea. They don't have river. We in Nigeria call it river. They call it sea. You know? Thank you, dear. Thank you. You know, when we are growing, that time we are growing in Nigeria. We will go to, maybe we follow our mom to river, follow our brothers, our sisters. There is still the same, exactly some place in that river that we say, don't go there. Oh, when you go river, we carry you. Don't go there. Oh, when you go there, I can't find you. You understand that will be threatening you because they know that place is very risky. They will not allow you to go and lose your life like that. They will be telling you, don't go there, don't go there. You know, sea, Europe sea. We use ourselves. We use ourselves as a sacrifice for the white people in Europe. We'll be using ourselves to compare with them. You will see some black will go to sea, go and bath, take their bath like sea. You want to enjoy yourself like 30 minutes, 20 minutes. You go and lose your life there. You will see a lot of black will go there. They will go and contest with the white people. They will be swimming. At least when you know that you can't swim. You know that you are not you don't have that mind, as in you can't even go deep place. Don't go for this summer. Do this summer time in your house, or if they open swimming pool, go and pay €2, pay €3 to go to the swimming pool and go and take your shower there. Don't go to the sea. This year we don't want to write for young people, rest in peace, rest in peace. We don't want it this year, because last year a lot of Asians lose their life in Italy. Then we go there. Maybe you are going to the sea with your friends. You know that your friends you are going the sea with is not that person that has intelligence. Maybe where something is going on, he can call the emergency. He can call the authority that something is going on with our friends. You can go with it. If you know that you are going with your local friends like you, maybe people that don't have that mind to cause security for you, if you are sinking, don't do this summer for home. Do this summer in your house. Use your bedroom to turn to your swimming pool. You can use your bedroom to turn to your swimming pool. If you have balcony, go and buy that balloon. Big people can swim in that balloon. Go and buy the balloon, put it there. Pump water into it. You can bath over there. Don't compare yourself with the white people. You will be comparing yourself with the white people. Go to the sea. Go and risk your life. You go and risk your life, say you want to bath, you want to enjoy yourself. Just 10 minutes enjoyment, you will lose your life. You will just lose your life like that. We are tired to mob for the young people to rest in peace every year, every summer. This summer is coming now. Lot of people, even here, my city here. If you go to the seaside now, go and see a lot of people there. They are competing themselves with the white people. They are using themselves to do caricature there. They are be trying to make themselves like, I can swim. You can't swim. You can't swim. Nigeria, we have river. Europe, they have sea. Sea is different of river. We Nigeria, when we come here, we say it's river. This is not river. This is not river. This is sea. Don't be comparing yourself with the white people. Don't be comparing yourself with the white people. Please, guys, share this video. Don't be comparing yourself with the white people. Or if you are going, you want to go and bath. If you want to go and have your shower in the sea, let me tell you, if you are going with your friends, let you go. You guys to go the same time. No. One first, in case something happen to you. The second one will pick phone and call authority and call emergency. They will come to rescue you. If not, you go. We yes, rest in peace. We here rest in peace. At least you cross Libya, you cross sea, come to the Europe. You didn't die for sea. When you come out, you don't plan how to make your family be okay. You don't plan how to be family, how to build family. If you are a man or you're a woman, you are going to risk your life just like that. You are just going there to go and risk your life because you want to curtail yourself with the white people. You want to show yourself in Facebook that you can swim. Please stay your house. Stay your house. Use your bedroom to do the swimming pool. If taking, use yourself to do this. Use your bedroom to do this swimming pool. Or go and buy balloon. You can see balloon of €40. You can see balloon of €30. You can see balloon of the biggest one, maybe €110. If you're that kind of person that you have friends that you can swim together, buy the balloon, pump it, put water in your balcony, be bathing there. Be bathing there. Someone will be, you will come, you will go. You will still live your life the way you want it. You will still live your life the way you want it. Europe, we are tired to lose a lot of soul every summer. Innocent people, young people. Be crying, oh, my brother, my sister, oh, that boy lose his life from Italy. That boy lose his life from Italy. Most this thing I'm talking about is Italy. In Italy, last 2 years, a lot of people, lot of Nigeria, young guys, a lot lost their life because they want to go and have that swim. They want to go and swim. 20 minutes swimming, 30 minutes swimming, you will lose your life. You will lose your life because of 10 minutes swimming. Or because of 30 minutes, you want to enjoy yourself. You want to compare with all those whites, you can swim. White people, they can swim. White, they can swim. You will see white, they will be swimming. You will say, I want to compare with them. Please, if wave is coming, white can control themselves. But we black, we can't control ourselves or wave. Sometimes in summer, wave always take place in the sea. Sometimes, I don't know man go, but if I go seaside, I will just stand in the main road, be looking at the river. I will not even risk myself. I don't risk myself in anything. I don't risk myself because I want to show people that I can swim. Or I want to show people my body when you wear, I don't understand you guys. This year, I can't, so if they share rest in peace, he died for sea to my war. Or to my Facebook page, I will reject your dead body, because at least you guys have to listen to yourself, listen to your body system. When your body system told you that go out, you can go. When your body system told you that don't go anywhere, don't go. Don't go. I pray, may God continue to give everybody wisdom. We black, give us wisdom. May God continue to save our life. May God continue to, direct our footstep. Because this year, since these two COVID that take a lot of life. COVID that take a lot of life. You know, throughout all those seasons of COVID, if they can say Nigerians that lost their life, they are not more than 20. There are no more than 20 Nigerians that lost their life for through COVID. There are no more than 20. It doesn't happen for UK. Like UK, yeah, it always happen in UK. Most of daughters there, they always contact because they are daughters. But in Europe, I never hear say our black as in contact COVID. It's not easy. We always secure ourselves. But this summer, let us still gather and secure ourselves too. We can do it in our house. We can do this summer in our house. We can do it maybe before you leave us. Take your shower. Take your chic shower. Hold your shower. Put it very cold way. Cold yourself before you went out. At least when you went out, you will not feel so hot like that. When you are going and buy ice cream, you can cold yourself with cold drink. At least you will not be tempted by the sea. Or you will not be tempted that let me go to the sea and go and take shower. Okay, please guys, share this video. Share this video. This is my little message this afternoon for this summer. Please guys, please. I'm begging you. Even me, I'm begging myself. Let me start with myself. I'm still begging myself, God, if I am tempted to go to the sea and bath, I will go. If they open any swimming pool this year, I will go there, go and pay €5, or pay that €2, or pay €4 to swim that 1 hour. When I throw for that 1 hour in swimming pool, I can come home. Swimming is swimming. Swimming and swimming. You swim in the river, you swim in swimming pool, all now swimming. But in the sea, you can't risk that kind of life. You can't risk your life because you want to connect with the white people. You go and join them and be swimming, jumping for 5-story building to as in, please guys, please, let's do this summer in peace. I don't want to hear, or maybe person will tag me. Say this person, he lost her life in the sea. I will reject on their body. I will reject it on my phone. I will just delete it. Because we can do this summer with peace. We can do it with peace. It's not compulsory you can go to the sea before you know you enjoy your summer. No. If you want to enjoy your summer, you can enjoy it your summer in your house. Or you can enjoy your summer in And in the swimming pool, you can go and pay €5 to go to the swimming pool. Pay 5 if you have family. Maybe they can reduce it for you. Take your family to swimming pool. Maybe 5 of you guys or 3 of you guys. They can take €5 or €10. You know, for 1 hour. When you spend that 1 hour there, go home. Swimming and swimming. You know me say you go see. Now you go to enjoy somehow. You know me say you go see, now you're telling enjoy someone because last year for this COVID, 2 years ago, as in a lot of Facebook, rest in peace. He go to swim, he die in the sea, As in, I don't understand. You lose your life because of 10 minutes, you lose your life because of 30 minutes. Sometimes we are doing ourselves, like it's not because sometimes you are doing things on your own. When the thing happen, they will be giving your stepfather, they will be giving your stepmother. The thing you did by yourself, you'll be giving your stepmother. Oh, now my stepmother, when they pursue me right for time, you don't catch me today. Your stepmother, they sleep. You never see monitor drink garri. Now they fly on you for some, I can't disturb you. So stepmother, they don't even care if they exist. That the one that have good heart, they don't even care if you are existing. But when you come to Europe, you'll be using yourself to do gamble with the white people. Summer now, this summer, so we know a lot of city now, we are close to summer. Like my city here now, we are in summer already. When you go to the seaside, our Proco sister, our Oversabi sister, we want to show themselves, Penta Bra, in the Facebook. Penta Bra, do you want to show it because you can swim? Nigeria and river we get to. The way you tell swim for river, way down back, won't be the one way you want to swim for river, see for Europe, eh? Not be the way you tell swim for Europe. Not be the river where you for swim for Okokwo. Na ide Europe, oh. Not be there, oh. River where they Okokwo, sometimes you even the swim, say you go even the see, say everything you go even they be like fish. But yeah, you know, guy, you go swim rich where you be like fish. If the wave come, it carry you. You don't go. You don't go. Before the authority will come and rescue you. You don't lose your life. Rest in peace, don't take place. You see that 3-letter words, rest in peace. I don't know down at the fear. I mean, at the fear and where. At the fear because I never enjoy anything about my life. I never enjoy my children. I never enjoy my own self. And you can't go like that. See that 3-letter words, the way they pay me, I don't know whether they pay una like that. I bet if una get family, una share this video to una family. Those who dey Nigeria where they watch me, share this video to your family where they Europe. Make them get sense, say sea and river not be the same. We Nigeria, we call this sea, say river. Or we both call am sea. The white people call am sea. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, my loving sister. How you doing? The white people, they call am sea. We Nigerian, if you come say I dey go river. I dey go river. Not be river. Now see you want to go back for not be river. That thing what would they see not be river. Maybe this weekend, if I have chance, I will go there, go and video it and post it on my Facebook. Maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow, I will try to go there just to take bus from my junction here to the place. I will go there, go and video it and post it on my Facebook. May you know, una way guest family for Europe or then Nigeria where they watch this video. Please, wanna share this video to una sister or to una children. May they know they go there this summer. You can do it on your home. Tell them may they do it for their house. If not so, may go soak himself for a bedroom, may bath for there. If fire brigade dey body, may soak himself for bedroom. May he also free day inside bedroom. Then nobody go come tell am say may get up. Even though say you want even sleep, you go wake up now in bedroom. May sleep. May sleep. If you wake up in that time where you go tell wake up, because no say na bedroom e dey. You go carry towel clean, say go sleep. Say you want go risk yourself, go see. Go enter stable. Someone Nigeria will be say, I don't know what they worry some Nigeria. They will not say that place where they want go. You know, go. It get where me see Nigeria people last year. Where be say they go start, go they jump. I go there, go video now. Come post that for my YouTube, for Facebook. Me una wey be say una they want show na self nah. Una want do sisi eko show open belle open yash. Una want wear pint and bra now. It don't come out for seaside. 20 euro, 25 euro. You can even see some for street market now 5 euro. As you can, you know, as you can even, so you can feel bad. You bought they do that kind of thing for us. Well. If you want to buy my car, you feel bad. Maybe 30 euro, 20 euro. If you want to feel bad, I better pass my neighbor. You'll see 2 for 5 euro. You'll see 2 for 5 euro. I better pass my neighbor. You come wear that one now. Come go open yash, open body, go swim, go there swim. If wave come, it carry you. Before the white people, they got this. The white people, and they can if not them, they can smart to rescue you. But if you are a black, they will think maybe you can swim. Everybody will be looking at you. I know what I'm talking about. I think it was 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. 3 years ago, 4 years ago, I don't know. Me and my friend and one of my brother, like that, Evans, and my girlfriend Valentine, and one of my friend like that, Queen. Sorry, I mentioned your name, guys. I want you guys to know what I'm talking about. We can't go swim. That time, you know, wisdom. I never see you like that. I can't say I have said, but I just want to. They said, let's go. I'm just coming back that time for walk. Let's go. You know you walk today. You are tired. Just go and cool yourself on the river. We go. When we go together, my friend, the two was swimming. I was like, let me do over Sabi. That's why I'm telling you guys now. If you are going to, you know you can't swim, stay in your house. Stay in your house. I think that time my girlfriend, she's pregnant. I don't know that time. I think she was pregnant. We went to swim. My friend, she can't swim. Evans, he can't swim. Me now, me can't even be champion for where they day. I know some these people, me can't even be champion. They'll drop their comment for this video. As in that very day, I regret what carried me to that place. If not, I was shouting. My heart was up. I was shouting. I was even rescue Evans. Even that my friend, the Valentine. Valentine, youth. I don't know how to. I can't even raise Evans or take I want to raise Valentine. There are two. They was clapping my head. Because they can't swim. I was down on the sea. From that, when I see that I was dying, I pushed their two up on my body. I started shouting, raising my hand before the authority, before people run to rescue our three of us at the same time. They rescue us. I was looking at myself like, God, is it the way I want to die? Just like this. To enjoy myself. This is the reason I came here now. Be saying, please guys, if you know that you can't swim, maybe your friends, they want to do judgeability, say follow me, no go. Don't go. Stay in your house. Do this as in the summer on your house. So no problem now. If the time come, this message, I know why I dropped this message, because this message, I experienced it. That's why I drop it. I experienced it. That's why I dropped this message this afternoon. Because a lot of ignorance, as in we just live life like, let me do it. My friend can do it, I can do it. It's not everything your friend can do, you can do. If Evans tell me that I can't swim, I will not go with Evans that day. Or Valentine tell me that I can't swim, I will not go with Valentine. Even the Queen was outside. Queen was shouting, because that time Queen cannot speak anything. He was shouting, help, help. They don't know what is help. You as a person that shouting help, you don't even run to a person that's, please, or you see any white man there, see that was filled up with people. You can run there to shout, draw any of them. When you reach there, you point out them, my sister is dead, even though you can't speak anything. They will use that opportunity to help you to rescue them. You were just standing, shouting, help, help, help. We are dying. 3 people, we are dying. We are dying. If not the sense that I used that very day, push Evans and push Valentin over me, as in, I will lose my life because of friends. Because they are two, they can't swim. They was even using me to come out in the sea, as in the sea. Me, they were using her. I was trying to rescue them. I was under them. I can't swim, but I was rescuing people. Do you see that kind of thing? When you know you can't swim, I will rescue Valentine, I will rescue Evans. When I know that I am risking my own life, if not that I use that sense to push them away, I could have lost my life that time. Because of just like 20 minutes. That is the reason I came now say, I will say this message this afternoon. This summer now, summer don't they come, our people. Our Nigerians, please. Most Nigerians, this video is Nigeria because Nigeria, we too they do have us a B. We too they do show. I don't know why. We too they do want do something where Oyibo they do. Now everything what Oyibo they do we go do. No. So if you see what this Oyibo they do, you not like to do. If you get high, you really open wide, see what white people they use their setting they do. You not doing white people, they don't value their life for. White people, they will just see say maybe he and his wife quarrel, or his wife divorce him with anger, or his wife divorce him with maybe divorce. He will just like he will just plan to take her life. He will just go and jump on the train track. So we just see vehicles that come, he will jump under the vehicle. How many black go jump under vehicle if not be you baby say na accident? Black go just see car because person hot time. You want go kill yourself. Now let that boy wey say they give a negative that time wey go jump for train. That one don't know what they do. They give you first negative or second negative for Italy. You go that away. Our black, we know they do and we fear death pass any other thing. We fear death pass any other thing. You just see black or your guys. You go just stay because say your friend do you something. You want your husband, your hurt you. You just say I want to go and kill my life. I want to go and take my life by myself. You know they happen. It not they happen. Unless say domestic violence, maybe on mistake the man hits the woman, or the woman by mistake hits the man. Now you will see say rest in peace. They come out for that kind of thing. Say no ma clear hair. You leave because say you leave me. And when I will just go cry now. I say hey, leave me. I just see car, you jump put. That be the day when you leave me now. That day my Nyagana post start. I mean not be the day when you leave me now. That day my beauty start. Now be the day when you tell me say I'm not a big dress. Now that day I go want me I start to the dress where Nigerians. We don't dey kill ourselves by ourselves. Oh. It dey hard before we dey take our life by ourselves. It dey hard. Daddy perfect. Good afternoon, sir. Happy birthday. It dey hard. It dey hard. Before you see Nigerians, they take their life by themselves. Just like ignorance, that make people some they die. You understand? Some they take their life, maybe they don't see overdo. On one system, go just see con their way, you go just see enter their way, they'll be RIP. We just a mistake. I call it mistake, you understand? Say maybe you just open your eye like this because say you want to go die for some, you want to go enjoy 30 minutes enjoyment. This thing really happened last 2 years from Italy. Even no person. I even know person where brothers die for sin. Now boy, that time, that boy they stay Roma. I know the way that boy cried over that brother. I know the way that boy mop over that brother. Oh my God. This boy now they take off his mama. This boy now they take off his siblings. This boy they try. This boy they do this. Just that he want to enjoy. All those people now where you they feed. All those people where depend on you. How do you want them to feed where they yes in a river kill you? How do you want them to feel when they hear saying just 20 minutes enjoyment? Swimming pool, you can't die in swimming pool. Go and pay 10 euro or 5 euro. Maybe this COVID now, they will increase it because of a lot of crowd. They will not, maybe when they increase it, a lot of people will not pay. But you better pay for swimming pool. It's better you go to sea, go and die through wade. Go and just lost yourself like that. You know, when you lost yourself now, that happiness, where you say you don't want to give another person where sit down on your own, you know see how. Because person like me, I not believe say I go lost my life because of anybody, because I not just believe say I go lost my life for person, or I go fit take my life because of person. Never, I'm not sure, and this life when I come, so you know go fit happen. If they see they come again, whether they come, I'm not go fit still use myself do sacrifice for anybody. I not go feel, because if that time say ignorance, maybe I want really go join friends, because most of these things now friends they lead person to all those nonsense. This sea of death now friends go lead you to, because you go sit down on your own, they'll tell you say they want to go swim. If you say you don't want to go, say you they fear, you fear pass say you go down. Because beneath the me parable, one parable say no beg imoti beg you na lela, ma ya we digwe. You see trailer, you roll enter bush. You know you don't do village person, no. You not be villager because you run for your life. Big Mama, good afternoon. Thank you for watching me. Huh? You run for your life. Because summertime now, may you go. That day when I go, guess where for the world near sea. I go there. Go see our Vasabi guys. They don't wear part of bra. Go stand. For now, like when I cut this video, call insult me, say Becky does stop, because me I will go video that see, so I'll go video around maybe before this week round up. I'll go post them for Facebook. Make they see where and where when I go they stand, go they jump. When I want do as whites they do. When I go they jump. As you they jump, they come. You don't know what they there. Whether store there where you want to go use your air heat, you don't know. If you lost your life this year, the contact gonna come for me. Say na river kill you. I go disappoint you. As you die your rest in peace. You go to see another person. I beg you don't they disappoint you. I'll they delete some come off from my page. Because they say now waiting person, because when I go see this thing on I don't want press chair. Una will not go because yeah now not the insult person. I know they whenever they cause person now. I not go share. Oh man, I started to talk saying now message to this message. Now not go share this kind of video, all those kind of video now. From they're not they share. Summer like this now. Summer. Many of our girls they don't train. Many of our boys now they don't train. Go they buy new bus hat. Go they buy new bus hat. They want to tell guests for Facebook say they sabi swim. If you go kill yourself because say you want tell person say you sabi swim. Come if you there where you they go. Now cry you they cry they go. Cry. If you that time when they go say yeah, if person die young, you go they cry they go. Now cry you they cry they go. Your spirit go you they cry say hey now die you die, so you know they come back oh. Mostly where those your enemy don't they na enemy they quit they see person injure. Cause I remember when I see accident, who not there? Now you quit share my accident say now you quit they call they tell them say she see accident oh, she see accident oh. You know there oh now you tell yeah. Now you quit they fast they tell people you go see accident, you go see accident. You know now your enemy they quit they share something. Now, if my enemy, they want to say, make me consider, make they say, they want to share my monkey, they want to share my pain, they want to share anything. My guy, you go watch my part 3 season, you know. Part 1, how you there? So part 2, you never watch. Part 3, you never watch. Part 5, you never watch. You go watch reach 10, oh. You share, you tire. You better your wait now before you start to the share. At least now, more they help ourselves. And it's not easy. Before person go come on camera, come they talk all those things. It's not easy. A lot of people have something to say. Because of say make people not laugh them. Because of say make people not look down. They don't want to share their story or their idea to everybody. Some people they now will get idea past me. Wey be say if you talk one word, heaven go shake. But if you hold the live video now, one start to the talk, they'll say, he over Sabi, he wants to join all those people. He wanna run for Ramo, he want to join all those people. Now he go they carry on a matter until they do live video. You know, ignorance. They're not gonna want make people do what it did their life. They're not gonna want make people get that freedom. People go just they don't hold live video now. They say, hey, you're the fool yourself for there. You go look out, you're the fool yourself. Which be say that thing where that person they talk, it they make sense. People will get sense, they pick on. Say, this person, so what did they talk? You get idea. How you lost your life? How you lost your life because you want to go enjoy. See, like for example, now you can go, there is market, you can go and buy that big balloon. See that big balloon, you can buy like 40 euro, 50 euro, 60 euro. Find place, put that big balloon in your balcony. If you like Italy, they have big balcony. Most of houses for Italy, they have big balcony. Even some big balcony for Italy. If you there France, if you use and call 2 rooms, maybe they stay there. France, now they build that kind of astro way like that. They know they sleep. You build that called balcony, we go read 2 room parlor. They go use and do balcony for who? France now they build that kind of house like that. Balcony go just small like my own now. It's small. Like today now I maintain and wait for summer. I don't maintain and since morning I don't sweep and clean out. Very neat. And that even for it just now. Very neat. I don't do and wait for summer. Summer now me and my daughter go surface down there. If not juice with the pick for there, any fruits we still be there. They see who they pass, they see who they come. We don't do our summer. Oh. If we see say he too much, we still enter our bedroom, go soak ourselves for bedroom. Or if they open swimming pool now, if maybe I take and go there, now 5 euro I pay for 1 hour, or 10 euro I pay for 1 hour, we so free enter, we bath, come back. Even the bath say, now see 5% for that swimming pool. Because I know feel because say I want to go do show you body, go take my life by myself. They say kill yourself by yourself, not be better name. Not be better name. Guys, please share this video for our boys. Most of our boys for Italy. Most of our boys for Italy. They do gamble. Use their life. They do gamble. This year, COVID don't do it own now. They don't still open everywhere. Lots of countries never still open. They don't still open everywhere now. Say more will get freedom. More see what cash small. You know me say they open and say more go take our life by ourselves. You know me. If you want go swim, go. I know even me not the advice person say Nigeria now river we get. Now river now we were there Europe here Nigeria. Now we they call their sea for river. If you tell Ibona say river, I go ask you what is river. If you even go swimming now for seaside, you go tell Ibona say this is river. I go ask you what is river. We call it. We go ask you like that. But we in Nigeria we at the river. At the river. You think say a river where they Okada? Now you want to go bath. Or be you think say a river where they Ogbojabo. Now you want to go bath. Mona not the risk on herself because you want show on herself. Even one river where they say Igbo people they fear that are quiet. Even quiet say some people when get one river where they are Abudu, Biti Abudu, neither river they Orion. Biti Abudu, neither river they Orion. Even that river once when I go Abudu go greet my mama sister. When the daughter carry me go, the place when I stand, I they shake. Say this one a river. I they shake. When I go, I want go do over Sabi say, carry me go river. When we reach there, not be my she not even carry me go. It's just tell me say sister stand here. Oh, maybe for here they look at. Because we pass Abudu market, right? Area those tides. Now we pass go that time. You know, sometimes in life, we dey risk ourselves, we dey use ourselves to compare these white people. White people, they be like wish. Not be even they be wish, because they can swim the way they like. You go see, say, now go see the way white they jump. You go they even they sweet. Now those see they even one and not they go. Now those see go even intimidate you. Say, see ye white here they jump, white here they jump. I want go see try that try you want go try and see they try and they go. If you get will, something you fair right before you go liver. If you be all those spam donuts where be say you get picky for it, Germany, you get picky for France, you dey leave Italy, you want join your mates, your group, go there throw away. Fair call that your baby mama, fair call her down, oh. Fair call her down, tell us say you dey go river, in case you not come back again. May you know where your money, small money we see get for us, may you know where they. Maybe that one go fit see reach there like 1 month. If you be man, we see the hustle. Maybe that your Okmangolo, if you still open that Okmangolo, go change that many, you go still reach and do one thing or the other. You understand? You know, you feel that throw away like that. You put that innocent pikin. Maybe if you grow, come now, you can't ask mama where my papa go say your papa die for river. Come, if they pass Libya, they can say no. He don't reach Europe, he say yes, before he dies, say, hey, wait for that. Mama go show and see where maybe anywhere we see near and go show and say, now yeah, your papa for now this kind of thing. We see they Italy now your papa for that. That pikin go there sad, say, I'm my papa your day useless, can't die for this kind of thing. You understand? You go feel sad now, my papa go your day useless. Why my papa not bad for us? We can't die like this. Wait for our knowledge. Go say, go see where for jump. You go jump like they say, I not dead them my pikin, and they tell me. Because that woman not there now. What if they tell her you go sit or you tell pikin? All those kind of nonsense message to draw for innocent children. If you know say you be that kind of man where you want die straight away this summer, so this 3 months summer. 3 months summer. Now 3 months now be the hottest things for the summer. After that 3 months now we don't enter coats in winter again. Don't the wear jacket again. So you to kill yourself by yourself because you want to enjoy. Just enjoy it for inside your bedroom. Suck yourself for your bedroom. Suck yourself for your bedroom. If you die for, if you suck yourself, say sleep take you for inside that water. The time when you take open and wake up, you see your carry towel clear, but you come back, come inside room, come relax. Say you can't go see, you want go relax for see. Now rest in peace. So you see that 3-letter words. I don't know that now the fear, I don't know the fear. I know the fear. COVID don't do your own pass. COVID don't keep black. COVID, that's COVID. Now let those UK, all those England, all those America. Now we for here. Even now some doctors, now see Kotatan. Now doctors because they risk their life because they want to save people. Now they see Kotatan. Say human be like that. When be say we fear any other thing pass. This COVID so our Nigerians, some of our Nigerians, they fear pass any other thing. Like me. If you sneeze for inside bus, if you inside bus, maybe I did inside bus, you just need anything. I go dress. You don't know COVID day. They go even they laugh. Most of bus when I enter for this my road, yeah, they don't already know me. They know me. I not be the best way they find trouble, but I always they tell you, if you all do that thing, maybe you can't carry your this thing, your mask on nose. You can't steal for inside bus. I'll ask you. What did they worry you now? I cover myself picking where I carry a small innocent picking, not cover in nose. You okay, we they secure ourselves, say we cover nose, we they carry children up and down. Children, no, they touch everything. Now God they save us, God will save you. Say you cover your nose, not by cover nose. Maybe you cover no children when you carry, they not cover nose. If that those children contact. If you reach us, you go contact by your children. You go contact by your children because you know if you carry children go outside say you come, you know bath them, you know kiss them, you know deal with them, you know hug them, you go contact with them. Now just God. This God it's too much for us, it's too much. Now say God don't save us, He don't deliver us more, not die. This COVID so where they seize their breathing, if they seize their heart, just 20 minutes on 7 days, on 15 days, they don't go. We still there alive. We not get value to ourselves. We dey look at ourselves say maybe life not dey easy. I beg, do your summer for your room. Do it for your room. If you be places where be say you get where swimming pool there, go and take your shower in your swimming pool. Because nowadays you can pay because of this COVID. They're not going to allow you enter for free. I don't know, like city where I did. So me I know say the COVID never felt there before. Nice, now hot cake. Tell say COVID you can't day. Now money. If you get €5 or €20, say on many. If now €5 family, €5. 10 euro say family. Maybe 4 or 5 of now. Now €20. They go allow you swim for 1 hour. Maybe now every family now got the day side. When you swim, you come outside. If they go even allow to open it. I beg. I just go beg una. Our Nigerian boys in Italy. Our brothers. Our ebuche. No, those our bros. Where they Italy now. Hello. I beg, now I'm gonna share this video to our friends, to our loved ones. Say, some are they come, they say, some are don't they come now. Mona doing with peace, may it go. may e go. Cause now just 3 months, now be exactly 3 months for the summer. Now you'll be the real summer. 3 months don't go now. Don't they wear jacket again? Just lost yourself because say 20 minutes. Not go kill yourself by yourself. Oh. Me, I never enjoy myself, rich. You see all those my lovely 2 children where God also bless me so. And they never enjoy me. I never enjoy them. I'm not just suffer like that. I can't go kill myself by myself. Never. 9. I'm not trying. Life they sweet oh. If you know they sweet, now life they sweet me. It they sweet me. Since when this life just started they sweet me, when me tell you no say life they sweet, I limit a lot of things. I limit a lot of things that will give, that will hurt me, that will bring that tears to me, that will make me sit down, say, oh God, why me? Hey, I don't want that again. I don't drop on Tete. Even the shoe when I wear where they pepper me, I leave that shoe, Tete. I leave one for oh God. I leave the 2 shoe. I leave one for Joshua. I leave the shoe for Joshua. Because I know if you can't stand, can't they think, say, wetin go come make me think again? Wetin go come give me that sleepless night? God, I did not pray, God, I beg. Let it be far away from me. Take it far away from me, no matter anything. Take it far away from me. Nothing sweet past this life, oh. Nothing sweet past this life. You see where you they see yourself. Mostly when you have children around you. When you they look your children around you, you go get joy, you go get hope. What you gonna make you take your life by yourself? Huh? Sign of mama baby, how are you? Happy Sunday, dear. How you doing? Where must you all of them now? Where Grace? You know, I beg, brothers and sisters for Europe. We know say some are the sweet. You want to go show panta bra. You want to go open that medemedesh. You know, question for Facebook. You know, mostly our sister will be say never get brother. They want to open up. Not be that one you take get better brother. Oh. Not be that one you want to get better brother. Not be that one you want to enjoy your life. Oh. You see this life so. You see as you wake up, you just wake up with joy, with smile on your face. Hey, give thanks to God, oh. Because a lot of people, they will be say they hospital, they don't have one leg. They have one for up. They cry, say, God, if you feel heal me. If you feel me, I not go back to this thing again. And you wait, they heady. Wait, they this life. You say, you know, you want to go kill yourself for sea because you want to join white people. Go, they dive. I wish you good luck. I leave this message for you. Guys, subscribe. Go to my YouTube channel, Becky Lord TV. Subscribe and drop your comments there, guys. I love you all. Bye.